Hi. So this video is about the new skill I'm learning and clearly not about the new haircut I have. Let's dive right into it. So I'm here to share my enthusiasm with Python, and usually the way you would collect data is by visiting a website, which takes a lot of time in the Andamans to even open. And the case in point here being COVID stats from India. So you can visit the state and acquire the figures, so on and so forth. Now, I was able to move a step further by learning how to inspect elements, which means you can actually visit a part of the website and copy the code into the main software or program that can read a part of the page or the entire page. From there on, I was able to actually write my own code, which can do exactly what I do with multiple click steps and keyboard entries. After writing my software, if I can call it that, uh, I was able to test it, and you will see shortly. It does work, collects data state-wise, including confirmed, cured, number of deaths. Uh, so yeah, it is kind of a satisfactory feeling to be able to get this far. But the cool part is the final touch to automation, wherein uh, nowadays I simply open my system, click on a piece of software that I've written personally, and it does all of this for me instantly. So this video is mostly for self-inspiration and just to share my enthusiasm with this new skill. And I hope it interests some of you. Cheers.